Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving straight into how to use UPBASE for film festival coordination, the full 2025 guide. So let's get started. First off, you'll want to create your account on UPBASE. This is necessary to access the platform's features, which have been tailored to ease the process of coordinating a film festival. Now that we've done that, let's move to creating your festival event. On the dashboard, select New Event and fill in the necessary details about your festival, such as the name, date, and venue. The reason we do this is to provide attendees with all the information they need at a glance. Next up, you're going to set up your film categories. This helps us because it allows attendees to easily navigate through the films according to their preferences. To do this, simply click on Categories, then Add New, and input the category name and description. Now let's talk submissions. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE allows filmmakers to submit their films directly on the platform. Under the Submissions section, you can customize your submission form, set the submission deadline, and the fee if there is one. This way, you're ensuring a smooth and organized process for both you and the filmmakers. Finally, you'll want to use the Schedule feature. This allows you to plan and display the viewing times for each film. Just click on Schedule, then Add New, and input the film, date, time, and location. So there you have it. With just these 5 steps, you can efficiently coordinate your film festival using UPBASE. Remember, the goal is to make the process as smooth as possible for everyone involved, and UPBASE is here to help you do just that. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.